It's a 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. Forge a bold path with its beautiful fusion of style and efficiency, with a sporty presence and liberating economy. It comes with all the amenities you need: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, front heated bucket seats, driver and passenger front, seat-mounted and rear side impact airbags, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, front driver and passenger heated seat back, automatic transmission, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, Duralife 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.